Hello and welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. Comes equipped with a 6.2 liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather, heated ventilated seats, as well as lane keep assist, drive mode selector, heads-up display, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, onto the interior. You're going to have this all-black interior with paneling coupled with storage at the bottom, equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors and windows, as well as a wood chrome accent with the seat memory. You're gonna get these power adjustable, heated ventilated leather seats, Denali stitch, super nice. And left side here will be your drive mode selector, 2 and 4 wheel, and lighting with the heads up display controls on the bottom there, or on the left side, sorry. And left side of the steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. And the right side being your voice recognition and adapter cluster control. And you can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, as well as your gauges, and your audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings. So let's push to start, classic column truck shifter, and on the infotainment here. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as navigation there. You can also access Spotify, front and rear 360-degree camera, as well as parallel mirror cams here, and as well as my GMC and Amazon Alexa. Down below, you're gonna have the dual zone climate controls with lane keep assist, park assist, auto stop, and hill descent control. The trailer brake controller, you got 2 USB ports, a 12 volt and an AC wall port with a huge wireless charging pad and center console storage as well. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, Denali stitch, double glove box, speakers and vents up top, regular and digital rear view, and then here you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, and your power sliding sunroof. So you get these 20-inch aluminum wheels on BF Goodrich trail terrain tires. You get the 6.2 badging with the chromed mirror caps and keyless entry door handles. Come to the back. You got the corner step bumper with the dual exhaust, trailer hitch and fifth wheel, the multi-flex tailgate here. You got the grab handle with 2 LED lamps as well as an AC wall port and around 12 bed tie downs. It's a pretty spacious rear. And onto the rear interior, again, more paneling and storage next to the speaker, power window with chrome accent. Back here, quite a bit of legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear cup holders, rear heated seating, and USB ports. Cup holder and armrest right in the center, storage behind the seats, as well as storage under, with lamps up top and the handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. Equipped with a 6.2 liter V8 engine, as well as heated ventilated leather seats, trail terrain tires, drive mode selector, heads-up display, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.